There's a lot of controversy, or even controversy at the moment, about bad taste on television. But of all the things you can do on British TV, swearing, sex violence, nothing causes more of an uproar, nothing causes more anger than being cruel to animals. Isn't that right, Gareth?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Especially if you take a lovely, lovely furry little kitten like this and...
They know, don't they? They know. But... Seriously, though, we wouldn't do anything like that, would we, Gareth?
No.
Certainly not. I mean, we like to experiment with comedy, but even we wouldn't microwave a cat live on national television.
We certainly wouldn't. So, here's one we did earlier.